my channel, and if you're new to this channel, I want to let you know that on this channel we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality, self-development and so much more. If you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you with all my heart. So today's video is about what to do when you feel lost or how not to feel lost. So basically I quit Instagram and Facebook for like the past 15 days or so because of the things which happened in my life, and I basically felt lost, and that's where I got the idea of making this video, because I know a lot of people are out there who feel lost, who do not know what they are doing, who think that even if the things they are doing, is this right or is this where I'm supposed to be. I wanted to make a video on this, and I just had this calling or something that I should make a video on it, because I know people out there are suffering, people out there are going through this. So yes, I thought of making a video on this one, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get started without any further ado. Also, I have written notes for you guys, so like forgive me if I look down to see what I've written. Okay, so yes, today's topic is about what to do to not feel lost, or what to do when you feel lost, or how do you cope with this being lost wala feeling. First of all, I want you to understand that it is absolutely all right for you to feel lost, and it is absolutely all right for everyone out there to feel lost in some point of their time, because life is just not certain, and I want you to embrace this being lost wala phase in your life, because you are exactly where you're meant to be. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. This is your current reality, and I want you to accept it and not fight it, because you are feeling lost because you are trying to control things. You are literally doing everything in your power to not feel lost, and you are just not embracing your current reality, which is now. You are not living in the presence, and that's when you're trying to fight it. And when you're trying to fight things, or when you're trying to control things, the things are gonna backfire, and that's when you experience more of that being lost or being confused while feeling, because this process keeps on repeating, and this process is going to keep on repeating till the time you do not accept your current reality, till the time you do not embrace this feeling of being lost. Now you're going to say that, like, Muskan, I am lost. Why would I want to embrace this feeling? I'm going to come to it. Also, our society has literally normalized the hustle culture, that you have to be overproductive, you have to do more than you could actually do, you have to always be the best, that you work hard for the things, and it is absolutely all right to work hard for the things. But then when you work hard for the things, you want the things to happen in a certain way, you want the things to happen in your way. And when you want that thing to happen, want is a word of lack. You are emitting the lack energy out there in the universe, because you want it, you do not trust it, you do not trust yourself, you do not trust universe, and that way you are not gonna get the thing, you are not gonna manifest the thing, and that's where you're gonna be more miserable, and you're gonna blame each and everything out there. Now, what's the solution to all this? What do you do to actually not feel lost? Number one, I want you to change the way you speak about things. You are saying, I am feeling lost, I am lost. When you put I am in front of any sentence, that becomes an affirmation. And when you're saying I am lost, I am feeling lost, you are giving that affirmation, you are affirming, and you are emitting that frequency out in the universe, that you want more of the circumstances and the situations that will make you feel more lost. And that's where I want you to change your affirmation. Instead of saying I am lost, say I am on my journey to creating new things. And I want you to understand that being lost gives you purpose, because being lost gives you that headspace to think more clearly. That's when more clarity is coming into your life, and that's when you are on your journey to discover yourself. Creativity is born when you do not know what to do. So I want you to think in a different way. Instead of cribbing your life, complaining and criticizing that I feel lost, I do not know what to do, I want you to rephrase your sentences and rephrase the way you are thinking about things and situations. I want you to flip the switch and flip the way you think about things, and actually embrace this feeling of not knowing what to do next. Embrace this feeling of spaciousness, expansion and creativity, because that's where better things comes. And I know that you are powerful and strong enough to handle anything, whatever it is that life has to throw to you, because you have survived many things in your life. Till date you thought you couldn't survive, and yet here you are, all strong and all powerful. So there's no such thing as you wouldn't be able to handle any certain situations or circumstances, because I know you're powerful enough to handle anything it is out there. When you do not know what is happening in your life, you are bound to think from that energy of unknown, from the energy of fear, from the fear of unknown, and that's what I want you to switch. And anyways, life is not meant to be going the way we plan it, because life never goes the way we planned it, right? So in a nutshell, I want you to trust yourself, trust this feeling of not knowing, because consciously and logically it might feel that it sucks that you do not know what to do, but subconsciously trust the universe, trust yourself that things are always gonna go the way you plan it. So I want to end this video by giving you guys a motivational and an inspirational example, which goes by 7 to 8 years ago, nobody knew that today would be a platform where people would be connected to each other no matter how far they are. People would be uploading pictures on a platform. People would be able to like each other pictures and comment each other's pictures. And 7 to 8 years before, Facebook and Instagram etc. was in a developing stage, and Mark Zuckerberg didn't know at that time that Facebook would go on and become such a tremendous platform out there that it would require Instagram and WhatsApp. So I want you to embrace this feeling of not knowing. Mark Zuckerberg back then didn't know that he would be, be this famous and everything. So yes, I think that's it for today's video. If you like today's video and if you love my content, I will try my level best to be more consistent. Also, if you like my content, if you love me, and if you would want to support me, please like this video, comment in the video, know how you felt about this video, know the topics on which you want my next video, share this video with your friends who might need it, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. It would really mean the world to me. Thank you so much for being here in my space, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep your vibrations way up, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is me, Muskan Mehra, signing off. Till then, bye bye, I love you.